Here we go. Hello, everybody. It's Rocking Dan Teaching Man here with a very special virtual show for Ms. Hoover's crew at Southwood Elementary School in Kinston, North Carolina. How are you, everybody? That is wonderful to hear. All right, let's sing some songs together. The first song is all about being kind. It's called Be Kind to Everyone. Help me out with the actions. Get your hands up in the air. That's it. And we wave them around. We go, be kind to everyone. Be kind to everyone. Wonderful. Let's do that again. Be kind to everyone. Be kind to everyone. Oh, you have got it. So, helping me out with the actions. Let's be kind to everyone together now. Here we go. Be kind to everyone. Be kind to everyone. Be kind to everyone. Cause in a world where you can be anything, be kind. You know it's the right thing to do. So be kind. Or say something nice to the people you meet. But be kind. Wave your hands in the air, show you care. And be kind. Well, be kind to everyone. Be kind to everyone. Be kind to everyone. Be kind to everyone. Cause in a world where you can be anything, be kind. We'll do a good deed for a friend. And be kind. Use your manners all the time. And be kind. Wave your hands in the air, show you care. And be kind. Well, be kind to everyone. 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 Let's raise the roof now. Be kind. Be kind. Be kind. Be kind. Be kind. Be kind, be kind. Do those actions. Be kind to everyone. Be kind to everyone. Be kind to everyone. Be kind to everyone. Well, be kind to everyone. Be kind to everyone. Be kind to everyone. Wow, that was amazing. It was wonderful to see everybody there doing the actions to be kind to everyone. Fantastic. All right, the next song is all about being a good friend. It's called What Makes a Good Friend. So, boys and girls, help me out with the actions to the song. Because we are asking the question, we're putting our arms out like this. We're going, what makes a good friend? What makes a good friend? Let's do that one more time. What makes a good friend? What makes a good friend? Yes, you have got it. That is wonderful. So, helping me out with the actions and listening out for the things in the song that help to make you be a good friend. It's What Makes a Good Friend. What makes a good friend? 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 Good friend is kind. A good friend is helpful. Good friend is caring. A good friend is respectful. What makes a good friend? What makes a good friend? What makes a good friend? nice things. A good friend is a good listener. Good friend shares. A good friend takes turns. What makes a good friend? 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 Good friend lets everybody play. A good friend smiles. A good friend looks after others. A good friend uses their manners. What makes a good friend? 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 I can be a good friend. Point yourself. I can be a good friend. You can be a good friend. Point to your friends. You can be a good friend. We can be good friends. We can be good friends. What makes a good friend? Can you tell me what makes a good friend? 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 Wow, that was amazing. It was wonderful to see everybody there doing the actions to what makes a good friend. Amazing. All right, everyone. The next song is all about the doubles facts. Like 2 + 2 = 4 and 4 + 4 = 8. It's a dancing song. It's called Dancing Doubles. So here are the actions. We go like this. We go doubles, doubles, dancing doubles. Show me that. Here we go. Doubles, doubles, dancing doubles. Yes, you have got it. That is amazing. So remember, doubles, doubles, dancing doubles, and listening out for the doubles facts in the song. Here we go. Ready for your best dance moves. It's dancing doubles. Doubles, doubles, dancing doubles, 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 dancing doubles. 1 + 1 = 2, and 2 + 2 = 4. Well, 3 + 3 = 6, and 4 + 4 = 8. 5 + 5 = 10. Let's dance to the doubles facts. Doubles, doubles, dancing doubles, 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 dancing doubles. Well, 6 + 6 = 12, and 7 + 7 = 14. 8 + 8 = 16. 9 + 9 = 18. 10 + 10 = 20. Let's dance. Doubles, doubles, dancing doubles. Yeah, doubles, doubles, dancing doubles. 1 + 1 = 2, and 2 + 2 = 4. Well, 3 + 3 = 6, and 4 + 4 = 8. 5 + 5 = 10. Doubles, doubles, dancing doubles, 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 dancing doubles. Well, 6 + 6 = 12, and 7 + 7 = 14. 8 + 8 = 16. 9 + 9 = 18. 10 + 10 = 20. Doubles, doubles, dancing doubles, 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 dancing doubles, doubles, doubles. Dancing doubles, doubles, doubles. Dancing doubles. Wow, that was amazing. It was wonderful to see everybody there dancing to the doubles facts. Wonderful. All right, sitting down now, boys and girls, because the next song is all about a friend of mine, the number 10. Yes, 10 had a party, invited all of his friends, so all the addition facts came like 5 and 5, 6 and 4, 7 and 3, 9 and 1. So help me out with the actions. Can you do that? Yeah, you can. I know you can. So point to yourself with your 2 thumbs. We go like this. I know a number. His name is 10. Yeah, let's do that again. I know a number. His name is 10. That's amazing. All right. And then he had a party. So he's dancing. He had a party. Invited all his friends. Let's do that part again. He had a party. Invited all his friends. Yes, that is amazing. That is wonderful. From the beginning. Here we go. I know a number. His name is 10. He had a party, invited all his friends. Yes, you have got it. So, listen out for the addition facts that came to 10's party and doing those actions with me. It's the friends of 10. Here we go. The friends of 10. I know a number. His name is 10. He had a party, invited all his friends. Well, 5 and 5 they danced the jive, and 6 and 4 they cheered and roared. Well, 7 and 3 they yelled yippee, oh yeah. I know a number. His name is 10. He had a party, invited all his friends. Well, 9 and 1 were having fun. 8 and 2 knew what to do. 4 and 6 they played the mix, oh yeah. I know a number. His name is 10. And he had a party, invited all his friends. 1 and 9 arrived on time, and 3 and 7 came with Kevin. Well, 2 and 8 they brought the cake, oh yeah. I know a number. His name is 10. He had a party, invited all his friends. Well, 10 and 0 came as superheroes. Yeah, 0 and 10 arrived at the end. All the numbers said, oh, let's sing it again. Wave your hands in the air now. Here we go. La 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 la. The friends of 10. La 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 la. The friends of 10. La 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 la. The friends of 10. The friends of 10. Wow, that was amazing. amazing. It was wonderful to see everybody there at the end, waving their hands in the air to the friends of 10. Fantastic. All right, everyone, the next song is about the 5 single vowel letters and the long and the short vowel sounds. So get your 5 fingers out. It goes like this. 5 letters, long and short sounds. Well, hey, hey, they're the vowels. Let's do that again. 5 fingers. Here we go. 5 letters, long and short sounds. Well, hey, hey, they're the vowels. Yes, you have got it. And then when we sing the long vowel sounds in the first verse, we're going to punch the air. So punch the air with me. When the vowels say their name, we go A, E, I, O, U. The long vowels. Wonderful. And then in the second verse, when the vowels say their short sound, we're going to punch the air to the short vowels. We go A, E, I, O, A. The short vowels. You have got it. So remember, 5 letters, long and short sounds. Hey, hey, they're the vowels. Don't forget to punch the air to the vowel sounds. Here we go. Help me out with the actions. It's hey, hey. They're the vowels. Here we go. Well, 5 letters, long and short sounds. Well, hey, hey, they're the vowels. 5 letters, long and short sounds. Hey, hey, they're the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. The long vowels. A, E, I, O, U. The long vowels. A, E, I, O, U. The long vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Well, 5 letters, long and short sounds. Hey, hey, they're the vowels. 5 letters, long and short sounds. Hey, hey, they're the vowels. A, E, I, O, A. The short vowels. A, E, I, O, A. Short vowels. A, E, I, O, A. The short vowels. A, E, I, O, A. 5 letters, long and short sounds. Hey, hey, they're the vowels. 5 letters, long and short sounds. Hey, hey, they're the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. The long vowels. A, E, I, O, U. The long vowels. A, E, I, O, U. The long vowels. A, E, I, O, U. 5 letters, long and short sounds. Hey, hey, they're the vowels. 5 letters, long and short sounds. Hey, hey, they're the vowels. A, E, I, O, A. The short vowels. A, E, I, O, A. The short vowels. A, E, I, O, A. The short vowels. A, E, I, O, A. 5 letters, long and short sounds. Hey, hey, they're the vowels. 5 letters, long and short sounds. Hey, hey, they're the vowels. 5 letters, long and short sounds. Well, hey, hey, they're the vowels. 5 letters, long and short sounds. Well, hey, hey, they're the vowels. Yes, that was amazing. That was wonderful. Great to see everybody there punching the air to the long and the short vowel sounds. You have been the most amazing audience. So boys and girls, everybody there, give yourselves a round of applause. You've been amazing. Fantastic, everyone. I'll give you a clap too. It's been wonderful. We have 2 more songs. The next song is a dancing song. It's all about some of our consonant digraphs. So we need to do some wonderful dance moves. So We go get up and dance. So we do that to the digraphs. That's great. Let's do that again. Get up and dance to the digraphs. Then you wave your hands in the air. Wave your hands up in the air. Great. Shake your body. Shake your body. Move your feet. Move your feet. Get up and dance to the digraphs. All right, that's wonderful. So showing me your best dance moves. And when you hear some songs with some consonant digraphs in them, you can jump up and down. Sorry, when you hear some words with some consonant digraphs, jump up and down in the verses to those words. So here we go. It's get up and dance to the digraphs. Yeah. Get up and dance to the digraphs. Wave your hands up in the air. Shake your body. Move your feet. Get up and dance to the digraphs. The digraphs. The SH digraph is in words like sharp, shell, shake, wish, cash. The CH digraph is in words like chip, chat, chop, lunch, crunch. The PH digraph is in words like foam, graph, dolphin. Get up and dance to the digraphs. Wave your hands up in the air. Shake your body. Move your feet. Get up and dance to the digraphs. The digraphs. TH done voices in words like thin, thumb, thank, teeth, moth. TH voices in words like this, that, there, then, them. WH digraph is in words like when, what, where, white, well. Get up and dance to the digraphs. Wave your hands up in the air. Shake your body. Move your feet, get up and dance to the digraphs. The digraphs. Get up and dance to the digraphs. Wave your hands up in the air. Shake your body. Move your feet, get up and dance to the digraphs. Digraphs. Get up and dance to the digraphs. Wave your hands up in the air. Wow, that was amazing. It was so great to see everybody dancing to the digraphs. The final song is called Hey Yeah, I Love to Read. So help me out with the words. Help me out with the actions. We're going to punch the air. We're going to go, hey yeah, I love to read. Let's do it again. Hey, yeah, I love to read. That's wonderful. So remember, hey, yeah, I love to read. I love to read. I hope you do too. So many wonderful books out there. Storybooks, information books. Reading helps you learn so many new things. So let's celebrate reading by punching the air and dancing. It's hey, yeah, I love to read. Here we go. Hey, yeah, I love to read. Hey, yeah, I love to read. We'll pick up a good book and start to read. It'll take you to places that you've never been. Exciting adventures await you. The stories that you love, you know it's true. Hey, yeah, I love to read. Hey, yeah, I love to read. Well, hey, yeah, I love to read. Hey, yeah, I love to read. Well, stories that you love, heroes and villains too. Get lost in other worlds, it's a thing to do. When you're reading, your imagination comes alive. Wonderful stories keep you satisfied. Hey, yeah, I love to read. love to reheat. Hey, yeah. I love to reheat. Punch the air. I love to read. I love to read. I love to read. I love to read. Hey, yeah. I love to reheat. Hey, yeah. I love to reheat. Well, hey, yeah. I love to reheat. Hey, yeah. I love to reheat. Thank you, everybody. You've been the most amazing audience. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful rest of the day. You've been awesome, amazing. What a great audience. This is Rocking Dan Teaching Man saying goodbye and have a wonderful rest of the day. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye.